So what is a cryptography? Well, how we define the cryptography? There are many elements in this. So what we are going to learn, introduction. Of course, what is a cryptography is, cryptography services, basic integrity and authenticity, confidentiality, public key cryptography, and summary of that. Okay. So this is the important chapter for you to understand all the next coming important topics like IPsec, SSL VPN, SSL VPN, and IPsec site-to-site tunnel. Those are very important topics nowadays, especially in the time of when we have a pandemic at the moment. Everybody's working from home. Remote VPN is a very important solution nowadays, right? Okay, so okay, so securing communication. What is how we can secure the communication in cryptography? Okay. So first of all, we know that from the day one, we discuss about 2 or 3 things. CIA, the goal of network security, authenticity, CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. So when we have a network like this, where we have a bad guy sitting outside, okay, and these bad guys can actually, yeah, they are sitting outside and they can see they have this. If you look at this network, in this network, what we can see is okay. So we can see there is a bad guy sitting in this area in the internet side, okay, and there is a many communication going on. So we have a VPN concentrator, we have firewall, IPS. This is our internal network devices. This is our DMZ, and in the DMZ we have web server, email, and DNS services. So in this kind of network, how we can ensure, we need definitely confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. So authentication point of view, of course, every other day, whenever we withdraw some money, we use a PIN or a PIN code to authenticate ourselves on the bank, and then bank will allow us to withdraw any money. Data integrity, the message which is delivering between the source and destination, that should not have been tampered. So that is why in the old time, whenever they send a message, an important message, they always seal it, okay, and making sure that nobody, if the seal is open, when the receiver receives this seal, this letter, and if the seal is tampered from here, this means that somebody has already read the message, or maybe this is not the original message. So integrity means the message should be delivered in the original format. Confidentiality, okay. So the confidentiality mean the message should be like in the, if you see this sign, yeah, if you see this, it shows that, the message, the internal information is secured, okay, is in the format that nobody can read it. So look at this, just like a garbage actually. So basically a non-repudiation, the message, anybody who is doing any transaction or doing any activity, they cannot deny what they have already done, okay. So this is non-repudiation. This is another interesting factor for the important things for the goal of the network security. Cryptography. What is a cryptography action? So basically what we are doing in the cryptography, we have a plain text, the original message in the readable format, non-encrypted data. Then we do some kind of encryption. Okay, and once we encrypt that message, this is called a ciphertext. Okay, non-readable format, encrypted data. Okay, then the receiver. So this is the sender. This is the sender. This is the receiver. So this is the cipher. So whatever you apply any kind of coding or any kind of method on the plain text, okay, which this is raw data, or this data is readable format, we actually encrypt it. And after the encryption, it's called cipher. These cipher then de-encrypt on the other side. okay, with some kind of method. We will discuss what are these, and then it can actually get the original message. So this is called a cryptography. So crypto mean hidden or vault, and the suffix graphy may stand for writing. There are more information on these links. Okay.